Here I have VIVO S1 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, and then you have to go to the sound section, phone ringtone. Here by tapping on custom ringtone, you can set your own song or melody as a ringtone, but there's also some of the preset ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. They are so boring. I'll go with this one. So you just select it here, and this ringtone will be set as your ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.